Today we're going to be talking about solving multi-step equations. Now, multi-step equations are not too difficult because generally they're going to end up leaving us with a two-step equation after we combine like terms in order to simplify it. So let's just jump right into it. First thing we need to do is to combine like terms on either side. Now, I only have like terms here on the left side, so we have 4x and 4x. Now you might be thinking, oh, well, 14 and 38 are like terms. That is correct, but they need to be on the same side of the equation in order for us to combine them. So let's just start by combining 4x and 4x. So 4x plus 4x is 8x, and we are left with positive 14. And our right side didn't change. Okay, our right side did not change. So we have 8x plus 14 equals 38, and this might look familiar to you because this is now just a two-step equation. So we want to get this 8x by itself. So in order to do that, we need to subtract 14. And what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So 14 minus 14 is 0, and 38 minus 14 is 24. We are left with just 8x on this left side. 8x, well, that's the same as 8 times x, 8 multiplied by x. So the inverse operation of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide by 8. What we do to one side, we have to do to the other. 8 divided by 8 is 1. We're left with just x equals 24 divided by 8 is 3. So our answer here is x equals 3. Now let's try another example here. Here we have 18 minus 5w plus 7w minus 4 equals 28. And at first glance, this might feel like, oh my gosh, there's so much going on here. But really, it's not too bad. So we have a couple sets of like terms here on the left side, as a matter of fact. We have 18 and negative 4. And we also have negative 5w and positive 7w. So let's go ahead and combine those. We have 7w. We're going to just write it so it's easy for us. 7w minus 5w. And we have 18 minus 4. Right. And this is all going to be equal to 28. Okay. 7w minus 5w is just 2w. And 18 minus 4, well, we should know that, but if we don't, it's pretty simple to do. 8 minus 4 is 4, and there's nothing underneath there, so we just left with plus 14 equals 28. Now we need to get this 2w all by itself, because what did we end up with now? Just a two-step equation. So our first step is to subtract 14, and what we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. 14 minus 14 is 0. 28 minus 14 is 14. We're left with just this 2w on the left side. So 2w equals 14. 2w is the same as 2 multiplied by w. So our inverse operation is going to be division. So we divide by 2 on both sides. 2 divided by 2 is 1. W equals 14 divided by 2, which is 7. So our answer here is W equals 7. And that is how we solve a multi-step equation.